right? So where you are under the var log. So I'm back to home directory. So here I will create a I will create the file guys. Right? How you can create the file VA touch hurry.txt. What is touch hurry.txt? It will create the file without data. Right? Cat hurry.txt. Yeah. So the nothing is there. Nothing is there. Right, guys? So touch cat is nothing but a read the file. So va dot txt. Okay. So this is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. This is the fourth line. Okay. So this is the fifth line. Just yeah. Sorry. I didn't show no. Hmm. Yeah. So vi bluejtech.txt. Once you hit this button, once you click the button, once you press the enter, it will directly go to the which mode, guys? This is in the command mode. Which mode this is? This is a command mode. In the command mode, what we can do? We cannot do anything. If you want to add the data, so what we can do? We can press the I button in the keyboard. In the below, you see, guys, insert. You can insert the data. This is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. This is the fourth line. This is the fifth line. Okay. Now you are in the insert mode. You want to save the file. From insert mode to execution mode to insert mode cannot possible. Again, directly you go to from insert mode to execution command mode by pressing the escape button in the keyboard from the left top corner. Okay, once you press that escape, it will go to the command mode. So once it is in, then go to the shift colon. It will go to the shift colon. It will go to the execution mode. It will go to the execution mode. Right now you are in the insert mode. Again, you want to go to the insert to command mode by pressing the escape button. Yeah. So here nothing is there. Now you are in the command mode. So if you want to go to from command mode to execution mode, shift in the shift button and colon button. Shift colon is nothing but a so you are in the execution mode. If you want to save right to exclamatory is nothing but a forcefully. Right to quit forcefully. Right to quit to forcefully. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, let's see the data is added or not. How you can read the file, guys? You can read the file by using cat. Guys, understood? So again I want to add the file, but finally I didn't want to add these lines. Okay, how you can add? Again, you can go to the command mode to insert mode. This is the sixth line. This is the seventh line. This is the eighth line. Okay, so I'm adding the data, but I don't want to save this data. How you can just quit the file, escape. If you from insert to execute from insert to command mode, press the escape button in the keyboard. You see now you are in the command mode. From the command mode to insert mode, shift colon. So Q is nothing but a quit. Exclamatory is nothing but a forcefully quit forcefully. Hit enter. So let's see cat bluej.txt. Is the data is added or not? Guys, is the data is added or not? Not added, right? Yeah. So VI again, VI bluej.txt. Where you are in the command mode. If you want to in the command mode, what you can go? I want to go to the beginning of the page, small gz. If you press the big small gz, if you press the small gz, it will go to the press double times G. it will go to the beginning of the file. So press press a capital Shift G, it will go to the end of the line. So if you want to go to the last line and add the, so insert the file, right? Shift colon, right? Shift G O. So it will go to the insert mode. It will go to the insert mode. Okay. I want to copy the file names. For example, 5YY. So you see, so 5 lines anchored. So P is nothing but a paste. Okay. So it will be pasting. So where you are under the command mode. I want to delete the lines. How you can delete? By using DD. So if you press the DD 2 times, it will delete the line. It will delete the lines. It will delete the lines. Is understood? So PP, YY, DD, NYY, number of YY, in the command mode. So execution mode, insert mode. So right, in the execution mode, we need to set the set numbers, set and new. So it will set the line number for the everyone. I don't want these. I want to remove this line number set. No n. It will remove the line numbers. Guys, understood? This is nothing but a VI cat touch, guys. Guys, understood?